Hi fam, this is Luke Bihares and you're tuned into Easy Raha. Promise me you'll wait for me and do you feel the same way too. I'll be there soon. Teka. When I think of home, na 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 na. Parang ganun lang. Pwede Bisaya? Hindi. Okay. Langit o yuta, kasanaw palandungon. Oh, it's you, sweet baby. That I'll leave you in your embrace. It's you, sweet baby. Ayoko sa... Ay, teka, wala palang halik yun. Tamis ng unang halik. For my socials, please check out Luke Mijares R&B sa Facebook. And then Instagram, Luke Mijares ulit. And TikTok, Luke Mijares ulit. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta noon hanggang ngayon. And right now, I'm promoting my new single, Hanggang Kailan, under Poly East Records. Please listen to it. Remember someone today with Luke Mijares. Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.